So this is the Montessori toy. So this is the Montessori. So this is the Montessori toy set for babies. This is a set of 7 toys. We're gonna open up and take a look. This was sent to me. It was on my baby registry. We're expecting soon. So this is for 0 to 6 months, and let's take a look at all the toys that are inside. So these do come individually wrapped, which I personally love because maybe you don't want to take out and open all the toys at once. You don't want to have them all splayed out. You want to give one toy at a time. So keeping them nice and sealed is something that I actually personally really like. But let's open them all up right now and show you. So this is the full set. You can see these are nice and wooden. They are a good size while still being small enough to kind of hold on to. So you have a lot of options here in terms of play, sensory, sounds. So a really like a fun set, especially if you're looking for something in a little bit more neutral colors to kind of play with. You just want to be careful of little fingers and all that sort of stuff in some of these holes. But overall, super cute set. Would make a really cute baby registry or baby shower gift item. And I love that you have a lot of options. Again, you can just take out one at a time and introduce or play, or have the whole little set and use them for sensory, for feeling, or for sound as you're kind of guiding eyes and that sort of thing. So really cutely made, nice blue coloring on this one. So just generally a super cute set for kind of stimulation and sensory play. And one other thing that's super cute, it comes with a high contrast card in there as an extra like little gift, which is great for eye movement if you're doing tummy time. And then also in there is kind of information about each toy, so you can talk about how to use them and what the like best sensory use for them is, so you kind of know a little bit more than just here's a set of toys, but this is how you can actually effectively use them for playtime.